Well, hello everybody and welcome on back to the channel. Only being Chris here with a small shop haul for you all. This is from one of my favorite small shops on Etsy. Every once in a while I will just glance through that Etsy shop and I will find something I absolutely love. So today we are taking a look at MSCREATIONs by Dani. And she specializes in a lot of stuff, from pens to crochet little things and jewelry, all kinds of cool stuff, wax. So let's take a look. I bought a couple items from her. Ooh. And, oops, let me see. I think that's everything. Let me go ahead and see if I can do this without making so much noise. But if you are new to the channel, welcome on in. We're doing a small shop haul. Now, I'm just gonna open these real quick. And let's do that. And then this one, I actually might have to mute myself real quick. Hold on. All right, so this is just going to be a pen haul real quick. The item I have to my side, I have to fix it real quick. And I gotta find my glue and I don't have my glue. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. So we have a little thank you. Your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightens yours. Aww. And it looks like it's one of my favorite. I love Dani's wax. And I also love the mind cover here. Oh, take a look at this. Let's put this aside quick. So we have a mind cover. Oh, this is a pretty purple. Very heavy duty magnet on the back. Yes, these are really gorgeous. Love these. The wax. This is Dani's wax. I don't know what this is. I'm putting it to the camera so you all can smell it. Can you smell it? It smells really good. I love the wax. Wax is great. So we have a pen here. Yes, we have a pen. I don't want to show you. You gotta wait a second. I'm just gonna cut the package right here. Cut this. So we have a polymer clay pen that I absolutely love. Look at the fish. There's two. And it's like a under the sea type of, wait, are they turtles? No, they're not turtles. They look like turtle shells though. I don't know if you can see. Oh my gosh. Look, and I love this. So I do have another pen that I use. A different style. So this was a green one. I think I got this one for March for like St. Patrick's Day. But look, this one is very easy to hold as well. And it comes with a 7-placer and a single placer. You can take this out and you can put in your multi-placer. So let's do that. I'm just going to kind of stick this in here. There you go. Look at how pretty that is, that pen. Look at the little glitter on there. It fascinates me how creative Dani is. And I've always been very happy with her pens. And get this, they are affordable. I love the fact that these are handmade. But it's also wonderful to know that she created these. So MSCREATIONs by Dani. There you go. That's one pen right here. I'm going to put the multi-placer in our turtle right there. Now I had to get another pen. Yes. I had to. And this one, I love the designs on them. I will link all of Dani's information in the description down below, okay? So this one has like a purple to it. Look at these designs. And this is a little bit chunkier than this one, okay? But look, it is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So there you go. Very cool. Love it. If you want an affordable pen, these are so cute and they're perfect. They feel good. This one's a little bit thicker than this one. They do come in different sizes, so I do have a few different ones from DANI. I try to get one for like every season. So there you go. All right. Well, thank you once again to DANI, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're considering subscribing, please do so. It would mean the world to me. And leave a comment down below. Have you ordered from Miss Creations by DANI? All right. See you soon, friends. Bye.